we'll start with 1 cup whole milk in the blender, 3/4 pounds of frozen strawberries, a cup of sugar, do just a pinch of salt, about a half teaspoon. We're gonna do a full tablespoon of vanilla. If you want a little more strawberry forward, you can cut that back to a couple teaspoons. We're gonna go with a lot of vanilla flavor on this one. Next, we're gonna measure out 2 cups heavy cream and just gently incorporate these for a minute or 2. We'll get this in the fridge to rest for at least a half hour, and then we'll start churning our ice cream. All right, so the strawberry ice cream is done a little quicker than expected, just under 20 minutes, probably about 18, 19. So we're gonna get it out, get it in our pan, get it frozen. This stuff really got thick because all that strawberry pulp in there. Now we'll get this covered up in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours.